Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing common failure causes. Connect power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, open Settings and go to System Backup. Make sure Google Drive Backup is switched on and tied to the correct account. If your phone maker offers its own backup app, install and open it now so you can include settings and SMS. Once done, tap Backup Now to capture device data. This gives you a current snapshot to restore from later. You now handle the middle, detailed steps. Open Google Drive Backup settings and ensure app data, call history, contacts, and SMS are selected, then run the backup. Next, open your manufacturer app to capture system settings, Wi-Fi passwords, and home layouts that Google sometimes misses. For media and chat apps, make separate backups, export photos to Google Photos or cloud storage, and use WhatsApp's and app backup to drive or local storage. These extra exports prevent partial restores later. You finish by restoring. On the old or new phone, after a reset or during first-time setup, sign into the same Google account and choose the backup you just created. Allow time for apps and settings to download. Once apps install, open critical ones to reauthorize logins and reconfigure two-factor authentication. Verify contacts, messages, and photos are complete. If something's missing, check the backup timestamp and rerun exports. If photos absent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.